Bev Morgan. I'm a Hanover artist and teacher, and I have an upcoming class at the Southampton Art Center Art School. This is going to be a very exciting class. It's 2 days workshop, and we'll be creating this beautiful painting. This is June 26th and 27th, a 2-day workshop. And what's unique about this workshop is that I'll be teaching step-by-step instructions on how to use watercolors and melted wax. By using those 2 steps, we're going to create the texture that we need for an old stone. Whenever I decide to do an old stone, old brick, I just fell in love by using the melted wax. And you're wondering how we all did that. We covered the whole watercolor paper with melted paraffin wax. We go outside and we crimple our paper into as many creases as we can. We put the paper into the bathtub for a little while and get the fibers nice and wet, and then we incorporate a nice shadow mixture or different colors, and you'll see that I used a very gray color in here, and so wherever the wax fell when I crumpled my paper, that's when the paint goes into little creases. Then we remove all the paraffin wax just by a hot iron and newsprint, and then we create any of the forms that we have. So we apply watercolors directly on the paper to create this beautiful scene. So I hope you register with me. Register through the Southampton Art School. The class is going to be held on an off-site location at my Hanover art studio. So I hope that you come and enjoy your day with us.